Hi, myself Saquibh Sheikh, a BTech IT engineering graduate in information technology with specialization in cybersecurity. So I was looking for a job opportunity in my campus. I'm not getting placed by campus. The Google recommended me the Awdiz Institute for CCNA in cybersecurity. Ali sir was my tutor. He provided us a practical and in-hand experience of the router, switching, and all the concepts of the networking. Ali sir also conducted the mock interview for the networking, which helps me a lot in building confidence. I got placed as a network engineer in a reputed company with a 3 LPA package. I will recommend all the students who are looking for a job opportunity as a fresher in building career in networking and cybersecurity and full stack development. I recommend each and everyone for joining Awdiz for better bright future. And also I thank Ali sir, Tejas sir, Siddesh sir for guiding me throughout the journey. Thank you, sir, for making me placed in a company with the best package. Thank you.